The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra won't be available until early in the following year, but as that time draws nearer, rumored pictures of the upcoming Samsung flagship smartphone, which might end up being among the best, begin to surface. As seen by 9to5, the most recent comes from frequent Samsung leaker Ice Universe, who posts fresh renderings of the Galaxy S25 Ultra on the Chinese social media platform Weibo. Google, a few weeks ago, we were able to see some preliminary renders from Ice Universe that revealed the S Pen along with the revamped phone. January of this year saw the release of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was a little earlier than the customary Samsung launch month. The S25 series will be unveiled in January if Samsung follows through on its January launch schedule. If not, the company may revert to its customary February launch date. After 4 months, Samsung is supposed to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but according to reliable tipster Ice Universe, some of its features have already surfaced. Measuring 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 mm, the Galaxy S25 Ultra should be among the thinnest flagship smartphones released in 2025 if this information is accurate. Anticipate the gadget to contain Gorilla Glass on the front and back, titanium side rails, and an in-display fingerprint scanner in addition to dust and water protection. Additionally, the informant disclosed that Samsung will stick to the Galaxy S20 Ultra's 45W fast charging, which was introduced in 2020, for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the volume and power buttons located on the right side of the phone, the new photos from Ice Universe give us a vague indication of what the side may look like. Although it might be claimed that the rendering software, rather than a design decision, is to blame for the side's flatter appearance than what is on the S24 Ultra. The largest modification seems to be a rounded corner, which is a significant departure from the Ultra line's squared-off corners, which have been present since the Galaxy S22 Ultra and are evocative of the now-cancelled Note series. Though it might have the new rounded corners, the Note may be making a comeback to replace the current Plus variant Sammy usually gives in the range. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.